Yeah.
Let's go to GPT again. So GPT mein what all is there in Explore GPT? That was pretty interesting. So can you show, there was like image generator, video generator, website generator. So
We can go to DALL-E if you want.
yeah, what exactly is DALL-E and how can people use it? What is Sora? I've heard about Sora also.
Again, some video stuff.
Okay. Do you use Sora?
I don't.
Okay.
It's just that you know what I feel, because it is not in my paradigm of creating content. But let's do one thing. Okay, they ask you up to, so basically it helps to create videos.
Okay.
I never created one, so what do you want me to create?
What kind of videos, I mean?
Describe your video which you wanted to be creating.
Okay. So let's take an example. I want to create an ad film for a
Or do something like 5 seconds, so it'll be very quick.
okay.
Something like,
So maybe yeah, this is a good one. So I want an intro video for my podcast. So I want an intro video of 5 seconds for my podcast, Conversation with Kushal. KON, yeah, Conversation with Kushal. And it's a finance podcast. Bas, what else do you want?
you can also do storyboarding. Usually when storyboardings are there.
So it'll create a proper video.
Right. Let's see.
Oh, wow.
Usually, I don't trust these guys, but let's see.
This is of ChatGPT only? Or?
ChatGPT, yes. Sora is a GPT one. My videos. It is developing.
Okay.
It usually takes time.
Okay. Cool. We'll come back again.
Yep.
If you learned something new from this video, do share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel so that we can bring you the best content possible. Also, if you want to watch this entire episode, click on the link in the description box and you can go to Kushal Lodha YouTube channel and watch the entire podcast episode. Thank you so much for watching this and have an amazing day.